afternoon, sir and my friends. In this opportunity, I will tell you about my resume about performance management material. First of all, let me introduce myself. My name is Michelle Angelic. With my student register number is C1B021112. The first one we will talk about performance management planning. Performance management planning is a drafting process. Performance plan as an elaboration of goals and programs has been set out in the strategic plan, which will be implemented by the organization through various planned activities. The importance of performance management in an organization are 1. Goal setting. Performance management can make it easier for managers and leaders to develop a set of realistic goals to measure employee progress. We can work with our team to establish goals that align with their current roles and career objectives. These goals have the following criteria: 1. Specific, 2. Measurable, 3. Achievable, 4. Relevant, and 5. Time-based. 2. It allows you to better engage your team. A successful performance management system can help increase team engagement and encourage an open dialogue between managers and those they supervise. For example, we can increase team engagement by establishing weekly team meetings or monthly check-ins with individual employees. 3. Improve productivity. Improved productivity can help reduce stress in the workplace and allow employees to retain their focus more easily and achieve more in less time. 4. Establish transparency. To create a performance management system that supports transparency, outline the tasks that employees can complete and demonstrate how they can prepare to achieve a positive outcome. This helps provide them with the structure necessary to success. 5. Help employees make improvements. Performance management allows managers to monitor their employees and learn who may require additional training or guidance. Managers who successfully adopt a performance management program can also make more informed improvement plans for their employees. It can also offer them insight into how their team is progressing, allowing them to allocate resources accordingly. 6. Recognize the high performers. A good performance management system allows managers to identify the employees who perform their jobs well and offer them recognition and rewards. This can help motivate them to continue to optimize their performance while also inspiring other employees. And last 7, leadership development. We can use a performance management system to encourage them to become more accountable while also reinforcing accountability among team members. We can also identify potential leadership qualities during meetings with your team members and help them further develop these qualities by taking advantage of training programs or workplace development workshops. The 5 key areas of performance management are as follows. 1. Planning business expenses. Planning is not only planning what tasks to do, how to do it to complete. Involving employees in this process is important because by involving employees, they will feel part of the process. 2. Monitoring business and individual performance. Monitoring involves monitoring employees by their managers to ensure their tasks are completed efficiently and taking into account the ability of employees to perform their functions. 3. Develop individual and team performance. Development refers to keeping employees engaged to meet increasing standards in the workplace. Includes teaching new skills, applying new producers to make the work processes more accessible. 4. Assessing individual performance. Appraisal in the way by which employee performance is evaluated. Employees are given report cards on a regular basis. Appraisals can provide an overview of areas where employees need to grow as well as areas of expertise. And the last 5, rewarding good performance. An employee who happy are productive employees and rewarding employees for exceptional work is a key factor in ensuring their work rate is not porous. 2. Employee performance appraisal. According to Werder and Davis in 1996, performance appraisal is a process carried out by organizations for evaluate the work of its employees. The benefits of job appraisal according to Weather and Davis are 1. Performance improvements, 2. Compensation adjustment, 3. Placement of employees, 4. Training and development needs, 5. Planning and career development, 6. Detect staffing process weakness, 7. Detect inaccurate information, 8. Detect job design errors, 9. Ensure equal employment opportunities, 10. Detect external factors that affect performance, and 11. Provide feedback for the HR department. KPI or key performance indicator is a metric to measure performance in business organizations, both employee and company performance. KPI is an employee performance appraisal tool that is widely used, including as a basis for determining rewarding policies. A KPI can track in detail which parts are not going well and which ones need to be fixed or improved. However, KPI cannot track progress because KPI has no directional context. The benefits that can be felt from the existence of KPI are as follows. 1. Measure performance. Not only limited to measuring employee performance, the key performance indicator also functions to measure how far your business has developed. Is it developing in a positive direction or even vice versa? From this KPI data, you will be more assisted in finding solutions regarding the best decision to be made. For example, increasing the number of employees, reducing operational costs, and so on. 2. Make targets more measurable. For example, KPI can assess the current sales team employees can only achieve 30% of the expected sales target, for example, 35%. So based on the data displayed by the KPI, the sales team manager can evaluate each member of his team to find solutions for achieving targets that are not in line with expectations. After that, it will also enable the managers to devise a new strategy to prevent this problem from recurring in the future. 3. Helping company accountability. Another benefit of KPI is that it makes measurement and evaluation of employee performance measurable numerically and statistically, so that the company can have evidence regarding the achievements of each of its employees, which will later assist the company in promoting these employees to higher positions. And the last 4, increase morale. KPI should indeed be distributed to all employees in a clear and transparent manner. This is because, according to a survey conducted by experts, the majority of employees who work in a company certainly want transparency from their superiors regarding the information and data written in their KPI. From this data transparency, employee motivation will increase and company goals can be achieved properly. Next, number 3, decision making correlated with performance management. Decision making is the process of examining your possibilities options, comparing them, and choosing a course of action. Steps to make a better decision are as follows. 1. Describe the problem. Make sure your description is specific, easy to understand, and succinct. 2. Create potential solutions. For example, with brainstorm as an expert or use your intuition. 3. Collect data. Gather information about the potential solutions. Some useful methods are surveys, interviews or conversations, and observing. 4. Evaluate the options. First, use the data you collected and analyze it for each option. Then check in with your intuition. 5. Choose an option. If the choice isn't obvious, see how reversible your top picks are. The more reversible, the less careful you have to be when choosing. 6. Take action. Create a plan first to save yourself headache in the long run. Also ask which is better waiting or moving fast. 7. Evaluate the impact. Use a metric to measure whether your decision had the intended impact. Course correct as needed. 4. Understanding employee work behavior. Employee work behavior is a crucial aspect of any organization. It encompasses the actions, attitudes, and values that employees exhibit while performing their job duties. The importance of positive work behavior cannot be overstated, as it can have a significant impact on employee productivity, job satisfaction, and overall organizational success. Several factors can influence employee work behavior, including one, individual difference such as personality traits and values can impact how employees approach their work. Two, job characteristics such as workload and autonomy can also affect work behavior. Three, organizational culture and leadership style can shape employee attitudes towards work. Three, organizational culture and leadership style can shape employees' attitudes towards work and influence their behavior accordingly. Positive work behavior can have several benefits for both employees and organizations. It can lead to increased productivity, improved job satisfaction, and better overall job performance. Additionally, positive work behavior can contribute to a positive organizational culture, which can attract and retain top talent, improve customer satisfaction, and increase profitability. It is essential for organizations to address negative work behavior promptly. This can involve providing feedback and coaching to employees who exhibit negative behavior, implementing disciplinary action when necessary, and creating a positive work environment that discourages negative behavior. Additionally, organizations can proactively prevent negative work behavior by hiring employees with the right skills and attitudes, providing adequate training and resources, and promoting a positive organizational culture. And that's all my resume about performance management material. Thank you for your attention. See you on the next video.